Hi guys, here we have text view and also padding. So there's no padding between the text and the background anymore, and this is why the background and the text now have the same size. Also, you cannot see the padding anymore because it is invisible outside the background. But what happens if you add a second background modifier like this? I will say the color as gray. Here it will take some time to reload. Now you can see the background color is also changed. That's how to create a box like padding to a text. Now we can identify there are padding, so we can change the color to, let's say, black. Color dot black. Okay, that's how to create a box like text view in Swift UI. Okay.